and today we have this interesting problem and we are going to solve it. Well, x on the denominator, we have to say that x is different from 0, and we have a square root, so this part here has to be greater than or equal 0, and this one here has to be greater than or equal 0 as well. So guys, to solve this problem, I'm going to make a substitution. Okay, so I'm gonna pick this part here and I'm gonna say square root of x squared minus 12 over x squared. This is going to be equals to y. Squaring both sides, I'm gonna have um, I'm gonna have x squared minus 12 over x squared, and this is gonna be equals y squared. Okay, so I'm gonna isolate this one here, so I'm gonna have then 12 over x squared, right? So I'm gonna have that this equal, this one will come here negative, but because of this negative here that I turn into positive, I mean I multiply the equation by minus 1, so I'm gonna have x squared minus y squared. Okay, so I'm gonna pick then this one here and I'm going to replace in the original equation. So we're gonna have then square root of 12. Now this one is x squared minus y squared, okay, and then plus this one now is y equals x squared, okay, equals x squared. So now we're gonna have then this minus this, and then we're gonna have this is gonna be square root of 12 minus x squared plus y squared, and then this is gonna be x squared minus y. Okay, so now I'm gonna square both sides of the equation here. So we're gonna have then 12 minus x squared plus y squared, and then this is gonna be equal to x squared minus 2x squared y plus y squared. This one and this one's 0, so I'm gonna have then 12 minus x squared equals sorry, this is x to the 4, and then we're gonna have x to the 4 minus 2x squared y. Okay, now I'm gonna bring this term to the left side. This 2x squared y, it's gonna be positive, and then this one x to the 4 plus this one minus 12, I'm gonna say this, and then plus x squared. Okay, so I'm gonna divide both sides of the equation by x squared here, x squared. So and then I'm gonna have 2y here equals to, this one divided by this is gonna be x squared, this one divided by this is gonna be minus 12 over x, and then plus 1. So this is 2y minus 1 equals x squared minus 12 over x. So remember, this one here is actually this one here. Okay, so now we can replace this. We have here that x squared minus 12 over x squared is equal to y squared, and now this one is what? This one here is 2y minus 1, and then this is equal to y squared. So this is y squared minus 2y plus 1, and then this is 0. So this is a perfect square, which is y minus 1 square equals 0. So this is y minus 1 equals 0, and then we have y is equal to 1. If y is equal to 1, we can come back here, okay, and replace the value of y. Okay, so we're gonna have then that x squared minus 12 over x squared is equal to 1. So now this one here is x to the 4. This multiplying this coming to this side is going to be minus x squared, and then minus 12 equals 0. So this is simple to solve. This is x to the 4, right? And we can say here that this is minus 4x squared and plus 3x squared. We can say this minus 12 equals 0. Factor this and this, so we're gonna have x squared, x minus 4, and then here we're gonna have plus 3 which multiplies x squared minus 4 equals 0. And then here, sorry, this is x squared, so we're going to have x squared minus 4 here, which is going to multiply x squared plus 3 equals 0. Okay, remember that our problem says that x is different from 0 here, so this one here, x squared minus 4, is going to be equal 0, but this one here, x squared plus 3, is going to be always greater than 0, because it doesn't matter the number you put in here. We have 3 here, so it's always going to be a positive number. So now we have then that x squared is going to be equal 4. So, or we can, so now from here we're going to have x equals 2 plus or minus square root of 4, and then x is going to be plus or minus 2. Okay guys, so our x1 is equals minus 2, and our x2 is equals 2. Okay guys, well, thanks for watching the video. See you next video. Bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe guys. Thank you very much.